Asa ano siya, tanawa boss, bago nawa. Sa African talaga siya, sa Africa. You born in Africa, pero nakatira siya sa Texas. You live in Texas.
I live in Texas.
Currently.
Even though I'm an American, but born in Africa. Yeah. Yeah.
How many years you are in vlogging? Something?
Actually, this is to me a coincidence because
Okay, a coincidence.
when I travel, I like to travel for kindness. For having me here. Who is gonna translate? They understand?
Yeah, they understand.
They understand. Good. It's hot. I think the way you're supposed to eat it. But they live here and they invited us. They're cooking. I think this is where I'm supposed to cross.
Just be careful right there, sir.
Yeah. This is Mr. Adobo here, boiling. Hello.
Chicken adobo.
So, tough puzzles. This is gonna
Careful.
be a tough puzzle. Yeah, they're
Careful.
telling me to be careful. Man, are you sure this is chicken?
Yeah.
So this is my second time to come in Calbayog. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this city. That is quite interesting and many people don't know much about it. So we're gonna have a fight here in Calbayog. I have a question. Do you know I can go rebond my hair? Yeah, rebond. Yeah. They don't rebond Calbo here. No rebond Calbo. Okay, that's alright. I will find out. You know? No. So far everything is going well. We can just wait to eat this lovely fish. I tasted one tail. This one here. It is so delicious. And the smell is just amazing. That's why I can resist the smell. Look how it looks like. So we're waiting for people to come soon and we're gonna start poodle fighting. The picture. Oh, you built this yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. Look at this here. Oh my goodness, a lot of food.
And we are preparing
Yeah.
also
This is cassava, right?
cassava.
Wow, I love cassava.
And then the other
How do you say welcome again in Waray Waray? Dayon.
ayun.
This is how people here live in a very severe poverty. You can tell. You see, like this house here, that's where they're cooking the food. It's not closed the door, and they have little children inside. Look where it's built, because they always have the flooding. But you look like this place here. No one should be living in this place, but because of the poverty, there is no choice. People just live here. I was so shocked at the guy who invited us. I've been talking with him several times. Actually, I pranked him on the t-shirt one day when I printed the t-shirt on his face. But today I just know that, I just realized that he has also disability. But these are physical disability. And actually, the house behind me here, he's the one who built it himself. So, but the place where they live, it's just critical. It's just, and the child actually just fell because of this. You see, it's not really a place where someone would live, but they live here, and they invited us. They're cooking. I just want to show you around here. Some people in life like taking their places for granted. But these people here, they just live in a very situation that I've never seen. I like telling people that myself, I grew up in poverty, but not this way. I've never grown in this way. Where I grew up was sleep, and then yes, we had a river that sometime that will destroy the houses, the building, sometime. But living in this condition like this, it's very heartbreaking. And the guy who invited us is the guy behind there. He's cooking now, and his wife is helping. You know, I couldn't know him before well, was until today. Ah, Manok! Oh, I'm gonna come see. A cooking manok there. I don't know where to pass. I don't know. I think this is where I'm supposed to cross.
Just be careful right there, sir.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I got it. Look at this here. Wow. Some guys are cooking manok there. You gonna adobo it or you just grill? Grill? How you cook? Yeah, how you cook manok? Adobo?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
The winner.
Oh. That fighting cock fight, right?
Right.
This is your house? This you?
Mine.
Me, you. Oh, not there. I'll step there. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, the guy is preparing manok here. When are you gonna cook? When? 1 p.m. Okay. I eat too. I come to eat.
Yes.
Me? Perfect.
And drinking.
Drinking. Yeah. Drinking. Very good people. Really good people. No matter what situation they live in, they will welcome you. They will tell you come to eat, like the way they're preparing chicken there. They are really good people. What I've seen in my travel is that people who have a lot, they don't share. Only people who don't have, they're the one who share. Someone is cooking there. You gonna cook here?
No.
Go there?
Yes.
Someone is cooking there. Can I come eat, po?
Yeah.
Jay. The name is Jay. You are busy? Can I eat too?
Puno, kaon ka puno, Jay.
Next time, okay?
Another next time.
Next time. Wow, the guy is here very busy.
Busy.
Busy preparing for
Chicken.
chicken, yeah. Cock fight. There is rice.
Rice.
Yeah, rice is life. Oh, that's really good. Wow. Yeah, Jovit. There.
Careful.
Yes, thank you. They will tell you, be careful wherever you go. And this is like the dry season, but I don't know, it's summer. But, yeah, I know. So some of these can be tricky. Wow. Believe or not, people live here. Look. They live here, people. And for me, to go the other side there, I need to go through here. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's almost sliced my thing. finger. Wow, look at this place. So people live here, believe or not. People live here. And you know what? These people live here. They can still invite you to share with them what they have. That's what most of the time challenges my mind. So it's just, I don't know how I will say that. Well, and you start wondering why they should even call you to share with them. Why? While they are struggling, they are fighting every day for life. Why you think these people should invite you and say, come eat? And they're very smiley, but people struggle who have like a so-called money in the bank, security in the bank. They don't share. That guy told me that he's gonna share when the chicken is ready. He's gonna share. Hello, Po. How you doing? Master. Mabuti Po.
Okay.
Yeah, you go where?
There.
Your house?
No, cock house.
Oh, your father?
No, I am a handler of the cock.
Oh, cockfight?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cockfight.
This is my cock house.
Oh, that's your caca house. Oh.
Come here.
Well, some of them survive from
Come here.
having the cock house, cockfight. He's telling me to go there. Let me go.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from America.
America.
Oh, these are your,
This is my cock house.
this is your cock house.
Backyard.
Oh, where is your house?
There.
Oh,
And
that's,
there.
oh,
This is my boss.
your boss is
Oh,
here.
this is my boss.
Ah, your boss?
Oh.
He's the
The
owner.
owner of this cock house.
Ah, hello, boss. He's gonna give me a job.
This
Wow.
is a winner. Winner.
This is the winner?
Oh. Yeah.
How much is this one win?
2 wins.
Wow,
This one, 2 wins only.
that's really good.
No,
So,
no,
this one no win?
no win, no win.
You need to win.
Younger pa.
Younger. So that one win it.
Winner, oh.
One or two?
Two.
This.
This one is 2.
Wow.
This one is not 5 pa. Because
Is young.
Peter is not
Oh.
already.
And you live here?
Oh, there.
That's your house.
Oh, that's my house.
You live with how many kids there?
3 kids.
3 kids there.
3 kids.
How old?
2, 4, 7.
Oh, they're still young. Your kids.
Yes,
Oh. And this is your boku? This is-
street light.
Eh?
A street light.
Street light?
Oh,
What do you mean?
a barangay.
Oh, this is a barangay light here.
Barangay light. Street.
Oh, okay, so they have what they call a street light here. So barangay.
Oh, yes.
And in your house there.
Yeah, there is my house.
Wow.
You can see if you want.
Yeah, you cook there?
Yes.
Man, this walking here is.
That's my kid.
Oh, that's what your kid. Oh, that's your kid too. Oh, I see.
Careful.
Man.
The road is slippery.
Man,
No,
look
no.
where it's led here.
Oh, it's slippery.
Wow.
Because it's already rain there in the Philippines.
Yeah. I think you are in the summer.
Oh, Samar.
Is summer?
Oh,
This is your house
this
here.
is my house. Oh, there's my garden. It's already rain. Not yet my garden. It's already rain.
So when it rains, you don't.
You don't,
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
plant.
So you may wonder why they don't really grow stuff. Because it's too much rain here. That will hinder their
Every
gardening
day is
process. Like every day is rain. And then what they grow, they ended up by not doing good. And even this beautiful banana, they will not be productive because of that problem of rain, 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 rain. And you can tell this place here, it flooded. But the guy lives here. He lives here, the guy. Wow. It's really hard to understand. I almost fell 2 times. But that's where they're cooking the fish there. I'm gonna have some. Yeah, just go around there. This is like a sardine, right?
Yeah.
The sardine?
This is what we call tamban. But it is the one that they use for sardines.
Oh, they use for sardine. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's really cool.
You wanna try
yeah, I'm gonna try. Obviously, I'm gonna try now. Hopefully, you remember your jalebi?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the big one.
I'm
Oh my god, this one is hot. It's hot. I think the way you're supposed to eat it, you don't take the bone. You just eat the entire.
And later I'm gonna grill the
fish?
fish.
Wow. It's gonna be a busy day. No one is helping you? None of your members come to help? They're busy?
Fine.
It's fine?
It's fine.
The guy is so positive. He's gonna
I don't wanna
grill the
give
fish.
them
Too much work.
too much work.
Yeah, it makes sense. Wow.
And
This is so good. Wow. That is the winning cock. Wow. The guy is trying to fix the wound, cleaning it. Wow, I can tell. Cockfight here is very, very. This is Mr. Adobo here, boiling.
chicken adobo.
So it's the chicken one. I think to me is the best. And they want me to try, but it's hot, it's boiling. Gonna burn my tongue or something. Did you try it too while it's cooking?
Yeah.
This is gonna be a tough puzzle. This is gonna
Careful.
be a tough puzzle. Yeah,
Careful.
they're telling me to be careful. Man, are you sure this is chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's chicken. Wow, it's good. And it's soft. And you're the one who cooked this?
Yeah.
So I've seen that in the Philippine males will cook mostly, especially the adobo part. Everywhere I travel, I try adobo. It's one of my favorite. And actually it's the main Filipino dish.
Yeah.
You can eat this over and over and over. You'll not get tired because it's just amazing.
Okay. You're sweetie. Look at your mom. Look at your face.
Making me sweat already.
How was it, sir?
Very hard to talk. It's a delicious, very delicious. I think it's cooked already.
Yeah. Okay, I will take it.
I think it's cooked already.
Yeah.
Wow. And they cook it in a very traditional way, as you can see here. Using the
Yes,
charcoal.
charcoal.
Yeah, that's the best way to cook delicious food. Wow. So how people live here. So this is the floor. It's the Look at that little cute.
Temperature is too hot. While I'm waiting for the bull fight, I'm gonna go around here in this little village to say hi to people and just to hear from them something. That's what I can do. If they give me something, I'll say thank you. And the way they live, the condition of living can be a little bit critical. But again, as I said, that doesn't let them stay away from helping other people or being so hospitable despite of what they do. So we're here, behind that where we're having a bull fight, and here they're making some bricks there, I think. Making some brick. I think that is like their market. The guys are enjoying their... Hello, my friend. You washing your bike? Oh, it's a Honda. Honda, good bike. Yeah. Well, I don't want to go farther from here because there is a warning sign. And I don't want to be the victim of that. Here is the warning sign here. Look what it says. Slow down, accident prone zone, crossing area. And I think you can tell, this is like the main road. And there is this, it's like a highway or something.
So the guy who invited us to come to have a bull fight in his family, this is what he does for a living. And this is like very, very old, earning just money to survive. And because there are too many of others that looks good looking, he can't get enough. And his first house was blown away by the flooding that they have here in the Philippines. Actually, the weather is number one contributing factors of poverty. That's what I heard they saying. So this is what he has, and he came to pick me up at the hotel and brought me to his house where we're gonna have a bull fight. But one thing that really shocked me was I didn't know when I met him for the first time that he has disability. It was until today. And the surprising part is today the bull fight we're having is part of people with a disability that they're gonna meet together, and he's gonna invite them, and we're gonna have bull fight. And I've even tested, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be another time of inspiring you who are looking at this video, of not taking for granted the life you have. Be content.
So Jovit is a good guy. Look, he's fixing something there. It's like a griller. He got those wires there, and they're fixing. Do you know what is gonna happen? Actually, they're gonna grill fish. I can't wait for that. Tuna, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's tulingan.
Oh.
What's we call tulingan.
So this is gonna be grilled right here. Setting fire there. That's where they're gonna grill that. Gonna grill fish. So they can't find even a hole to weed some of this grass here. And they use mostly the machete, that one you see there. That's the one they use. And you can imagine the machete to weed out will take a really long time. And it just take the apple. You're not taking the entire root. When you use a hoe, you took the root out. And living here around here, it's not really an easy situation. Ish, wow. Jovit, you're doing a great job here. Wow. You're using your finger?
Yeah.
Man. There we have our fish there. Wow.
I love to watch your vlog.
Yeah. Now I saw you lost weight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did it.
You did?
Yeah.
That's really good.
I avoid sugar.
I think this is what I ate someplace in Panabo in Davao,
This one?
the Sur. Yeah. I think it
But you
was
wanna try this one?
It's
Careful, it's hot. But it's better with sauce.
yeah, this is really good. It's not tuna.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just really good.
This is what we call turingan.
Ah. And get united, you loving each other, caring for each other.
Yeah. Let me, sir.
That's really good.
That's okay.
Hello, po. Hey, what is that? That's a boku? For boku? Yeah? Boku?
You drink boko juice?
Yeah. Where can I get? Here? 20? Let me see where you're gonna get it. You gonna
There.
this one here?
This one.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Those are good shoes for this.
that's
They are
right.
good shoes.
This is the coconut here.
Yeah, I love those.
How many one?
The guy wanna get coconut. Eh? Uh, maybe
2 pieces?
yeah. Good one.
5 pieces.
Good one. The guy is gonna go bring them immediately here. Wait and see what will happen. This is how you got a fresh coconut. And that guy there, I just met him here. He has like a big machete there. And he started grabbing a coconut there. Don't drop it over my head. Look, that's in there. Oh, he got one already. The guy is gonna catch it. Ah, wow, that's really cool.
You wanna eat some coconut?
Oh, I love this. I love this.
Palit siya. Kansin na siya.
Look around.
Yeah?
Uubos ang lukay.
Boy, look around.
This guy with the machete. He has the good shoes. These are good shoes that are really good for this place here.
Kataro mo sa pundang.
Otherwise, you're gonna sink it. Look. That's a long eye. Drink this here right now. Okay. Yeah, the water start coming out. Yeah. Good. Ah, yeah.
Yes. Coconut juice.
Yeah, they come. My favorite. When I drink this. So, yeah. I'm gonna try this because I've been drinking this in every country where I go. In Vietnam, so far, Vietnam, Laos, I went there, they have, and in Africa, but this one I wanna try.
is so refreshing.
Sir, I have a
It's
question.
so good and
Laos is a beautiful country.
Uh, yeah, some places. Yeah, some places. Yeah, this is. You want to go? You want to go to Laos?
No.
Philippines is beautiful. It's so good and so refreshing. And this is really good because, you know, they didn't cook, they didn't treat it, just inside from there. Man, they have this big ant here. They have this big ant. So delicious. Let's finish. It is so refreshing and I need it because it is humid here. Well, more still coming. Yeah, this is ant here, man. This here. One just got me. See that ant there? And there are a couple of them. Look at that one there. Some of them would like to relax in these things here. So when you got there, and believe it or not, it is safe. So you just lay like this, like that. I think you can even have a nap here. I don't know how the guys how he got it swing, but you can just enjoy it like that. Maybe you need to do this, like this, and then to sing you. Yeah, you see the fish there. We're gonna go see the fish too. But first, I wanna know what this lady is doing here. So, what are you trying to make here? Like a
Very wet sleep.
oh, so you wanna make like a path they can walk?
No. I just wanna put another like this
Oh, like that. Oh,
land
oh, I see.
to cover this one.
Oh, this
Over
one
the
is very
water.
slippery. Yeah.
Yeah. It's
So
very,
you're gonna get that one here and they put here.
yeah. It's always raining here.
You don't use the hook.
No hook.
Oh,
It's no hook. It's
just that machete.
yeah,
That will take you time.
yeah. It's very poor situation here in the
Oh,
Philippines.
to buy hook.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very. I don't. Bugas.
So what do you do? What do you do for work?
No work for every day I have my children.
Oh,
No work.
they are little.
Yeah.
You need to be with them.
Yeah.
That's true.
Every Sunday going to church to take a mass.
Oh, I see.
My husband is no work.
No work.
Very sad situation. Hoy, hugaw
He-
kayo.
He's a good person. They just give me one boku, coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Very delicious. Yeah. You know how to climb? You?
No.
No. Only men.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
My husband is very good to
To climb.
climb
Yeah.
because he's a
He's there.
farmer.
A good guy. Where does he farm?
What?
Where he went farming? Where?
Here.
Here?
Yeah, only here. In this place, he
Just heard that. You see the house like that, how it is, and that is the restroom there. I just heard that you can easily build if you have the ability. One brick is 18 peso, one brick. And 18 pesos is like probably 20 cents. So they build, but they need to have a foundation that is firm. And they use like those metal bar to make a foundation. But they can't get, I was asking, they can't get even money to buy for a hole to clean around here. That's what they were telling me. Yeah, it's really, it's causing the sanitary to be very, very hard. Yeah, very, very hard.
unhealthy.
Unhealthy?
Yeah.
Why?
The food is
It's not. Oh, this is where you live.
no
Ah,
house.
and this is your kitchen here.
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
No kitchen. It's already here inside the house. So the smoke is only here in the home. So the cup, the cold is only at the here in the home.
And
Very
it,
sickness.
and it's open everywhere. It's open. So why? Wow.
This is my room. This is
Oh, that's.
my room.
Oops.
Sorry. It's
That's
very
it's kalbo.
low. Yeah.
It's kalbo. Oh, this is where you sleep
Yeah.
with your kids. And it's open. The windows are open there.
It's no window.
Oh, no window. Yeah.
It's a closed window.
Yeah. Well, this is where they live in a very tough situation. I don't know how to say this. It's just, I don't know. People live here. You won't believe. And this little child here just fell there because it is slippery. And look outside the muddy. And this is where they cook. Wow. And the child looks like it doesn't have good health. Look, it's gonna fall there. Oh my goodness. Oh, carefully.